morning.
Say good morning, Bella.
It is 9:30 a.m. What time did we wake up?
About
5?
5.
And then we managed to fall asleep again about 6.
Yeah, I slept much better afterwards though. Basically at 5, the woodland chorus.
Oh my god, everything woke up and started screaming. Oh, every single bird.
There are 2 birds that I've given names to because they were just walking around. Ow. They were just walking around all night squeaking like meh, meh, meh. And sometimes I'd get quite close to the tent, which set Bella off. She was barking and growling at them. And I've nicknamed them WD and 40 because that's what it sounded like they needed. But that is definitely the best night's sleep I've had in a tent.
Oh yeah.
Like, we've got new mattresses.
Oh, the new mattresses were insane. They're so nice.
They didn't go down at all. They stayed as warm. In fact, I was too warm. I was sweating at one point. I've got my layering system on, fluffy socks, merino base layer, and then like a regatta jumper and trackies. Oh, it's really pretty in here because we're like under some trees and the sunlight shining through on the leaves. Bella managed to sleep in here as well, although she was growling at a couple of the animals that were getting a bit close, wasn't she?
Yeah, she does a... She wants to bark, but she doesn't.
No, it's not
So
bad.
it just comes out of her.
This is her LED collar that flashes at night so we can see her. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh yeah. So we can see her running around in the dark. So I think the plan is to get up. I took Bella out at 5 for a wee and a poo already.
I didn't quite get that.
Oh, shut up, Siri. I think the plan is to get up, stretch, do some morning yoga around the camp.
Yeah, need to get our backs
realigned,
aligned again.
And then have a cup of tea and a coffee.
Yeah, and a breakfast.
And breakfast. Cinnamon swirls, you know, the pastries. We've got frozen ones, defrosted them. And then we've got one in each packet, got some more down here. We've not done this before, so it might not go very well. But I don't know, I'm just going to cook it for 5 minutes on each side and then see. But that's breakfast. Hopefully it's going to start smelling like warm cinnamon in a minute. That's what I'm aiming for.
That's the goal.
That's the goal, like warm cinnamon, like And then you're making us tea, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
Got a timer going on my Apple Watch, so I'm in control.
Okay, what's that next to your Apple Watch?
A power cord bracelet.
Wow, tell us about it.
Made it myself, didn't I?
Did you?
Followed a YouTube tutorial.
Ooh.
And made it out of power cord, because basically Evan has got like the largest supply of power cord you could ever see. And I mock him because he never puts it to any use. So I put it to use and made a bracelet. And then this is one that you made this, right?
I made it, yeah, a long time ago.
A bit more advanced than mine. There's 3 different types of power cord in there. One was a beginner's bracelet, let's say. It's not working as I hoped it would.
Oh dear.
We're burning, we're raw. It's not quite right, is it?
No, it doesn't look quite right. Well, here we go. I'm about to try this out. See if it's any good. It's not bad. I've had worse things.
It doesn't look as pretty as I thought.
No, it doesn't look pretty, but it tastes alright. But I wouldn't recommend it. Oh no. I wouldn't recommend it.
Is it cooked?
No. No.
I'm sorry.
It's burned on the outside, raw, just a millimeter from the outside. So you got a lovely crisp layer, and then, but it's still good. Nothing better than having warm coffee at a campsite. And I'm still struggling to cook the cinnamon buns, but she does have hot chocolate.
I'm basically eating the cinnamon raw. So I've given up. It's going to take me an hour to cook all of these otherwise.
So, lesson to all you campers, backpackers and all those who want to eat cinnamon rolls at the campsite. Don't.
Buy the ones that are already cooked.
Or go to a bakery, buy them pre-cooked and just warm them up. Right?
Yeah.
Easy peasy. Don't get the frozen stuff. It's just not gonna work. Coffee though. Ooh. 8p. Great stuff. What are we doing next?
I've got another two of these to cook.
So we need another 20 minutes here.
Breakfast was an absolute fail. I've not even bothered cooking the last one, it's just sat there raw. I've ruined the kitchen tongs.
For the second time.
This is what they look like now. Don't know if you can see that. All burnt. Ruined. I burnt my mouth on my coffee. Really burnt it, like I've lost half my taste buds. Onwards and upwards. The rest of our day we are going to go geocaching, which is like adult treasure hunting for those of you that don't know. I think there is a geocache hidden in the woods here. Hopefully they're walking distance. We'll go for a walk with Bella. She can help us, she can maybe sniff some of them out. And then obviously we need to give you a tour, because we didn't give you a tour yesterday.
No.
We need to give you a tour of our camp and our setup. Maybe we'll do that first and then we'll hit the road. We've got a picnic for our geocache, which doesn't involve any cooking, so touch wood, can't go wrong with that. So we'll give you a tour, geocache and picnic. Alright, 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 alright.
Edit.
Now, MTV Camp.
It's a new channel.
Yeah. Yes,
Nice.
a spin-off from MTV Cribs.
Nice.
Moment you've all been waiting for. Camp tour.
What does it look like?
Let's show you around. So we're going to start. This is the front door. Welcome.
There isn't a door. Oh,
There is
there is a door. Oh,
Welcome.
very nice. Should we move into the lounge area?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is this area here,
Uh-huh.
I guess. We got 2 chairs, camping chairs. Little fire pit. We had our fire there last night. I'm assuming this lodge is for sitting, but it's pretty low. Like you have to do full squat. Oh, actually, it's alright.
So we have an orange and green chair. What's in that box?
We got all the cooking supplies. We
Yeah.
got 3 stoves, because you know you need 3 stoves when you're entertaining 2 people. A bunch of other stuff, plates, a lot of stuff. All cooking related though. So that's a lounge area.
So, lounge, bedroom. Outside we've got our barbecue and our coal. That's not where it stays. We cooked over there last night. It's just there for neatness. And then we've got our water supply on this side. This big one.
Oh, I see what you've gone for. Fire and water.
Fire and water
Yeah.
is a theme. The big one was supplied by the camp, 25 litres supplied by them, which is great. The little one we just picked up from Tesco. We've got our Van Gogh Galaxy 300,
Yeah.
which is like our medium sized tent, I guess. So we've got this little ground sheet in here. Then as you come in, we've got Bella's dog stuff here, mat, leads, food. We've got our shoes and clothes here.
Yeah.
In Tesco bags. We need to invest in some proper backpacks, really. This is our food. More Tesco bags. It's all zip-locked for freshness. There's our
Is that a Tesco Ziploc bag?
It is a Tesco Ziploc bag.
They better sponsor this video.
Tea, coffee, sweetener. So that's all your like dry food. In here we've got all of our
You look like those guys that throw peanuts at a sports game.
beers and popcorn.
Oysters, clams and cockles!
Would you like to have a look inside my sack? We've got sandwiches, croissants, pasta. There's all the food. Bedrooms. In here we've got 2 self-inflating mats, 1 each, sleeping bag each, pillow. There's like pockets on the side and things. These are new mattresses, so I think Evan wants to do a review on them because they're really good.
They were amazing last night.
They kept us warm. I think Evan's going to do that in a separate video. And he's got a new sleeping bag as well, which he'll probably do in a new video. That's the tent. I think it's best if Evan explains this part of the camp because it's very Evan set up.
This is my side. This is my style of camping. Well, not quite. But what do we have here? Let me show you this area. This is our dog eating, drinking station. And we've got a little bin here, right above where she eats. I'm sure she's fine with it. Behind me, we have a hammock, tarp, and a under blanket. Follow me, I'll show you how this whole thing works. Hammock is strapped to the tree. I've made some very bad square knots. That's not how you normally do it, but I've no idea how to do it properly. Same on the other side, and then this thing, it looks like another hammock really, but it's there to keep you warm. It's like a sleeping bag because the hammock is so thin and you have all your weight on it. Then if you have the smallest bit of wind, it just takes all the heat out of the back and you get cold very, very quickly.
You have quite a bit of wind as well, don't you?
And then yeah, when you get in it, this wraps around you and you're all nice and warm. And I'll demonstrate in a sec, but first I want to show you the tarp. You just do a line that holds the tarp. You can have it lower or higher. We have it quite high so you can walk underneath it. But what happens is, you peg one side down and you can have the other side up like a porch, like we've done in the previous video. The problem here is, we only had one tree. So you can't exactly hold these sides out to different trees, because as you can see, we don't really have any trees nearby. So what we have to do is, from the center of the tarp, goes around the tree, hold on, no it doesn't. From that tree, it goes to that tree, does a loop, comes and grabs the center of the tarp, here, from one of the loop, goes back to the tree, wraps all the way around, and then comes this way, and it's the big line from the tarp back there, the yellow one. It's mental. I don't think this is how they teach you to do it. I don't think this is how anyone has done it. Potentially we're pioneers of a new way of setting up your tarp. It works, but it's stupid. Right, let me show you what it's like. This is now around me, and it's keeping me warm from underneath. Hammocks are the way. Although the mattress that we had was actually pretty good. But is this better?
It's a large lens you've got.
And that's the setup over here. Right, I'm going to take a nap now. What? Excuse me. Excuse me.
So there you have it. MTV, what do I call it? MTV Camp. MTV Camp. You've seen inside my fridge. You've seen my house. Now get out.
On the next episode, Anna climbs a ladder.
Pretty secure. I might go up there.
She then makes fire. She then scares me. And then we all get wet.